Welcome to SWAMY'S Academy. Today we'll learn about the basic concepts in the polynomial and the quadratic equation. So polynomial degree is 1. Degree if it is 1, that will call as linear polynomial. That will call as a linear. Polynomial. So degree if it is 1, that will call as a linear polynomial. Example for linear polynomial: x plus 2 equals to 0. X minus 9 equals to 0. Y plus 9 equals to 0. Z some minus 10 equals to 0. So for this all degree is 1, is it? Degree. So linear polynomial. If the equation is there, that we call it linear polynomial equation. So normally if the equation if it is not there, that we call it linear polynomial. That is example: x plus 2, y minus 10, y plus 9, x minus 9, z minus 10. That will call as a linear polynomial. In case equation symbol if it is there, that will call as a linear polynomial equation. This is example for linear polynomial. Standard form of the linear polynomial. The standard form of the linear polynomial: ax plus b. Ax plus b. So a is not equals to 0, and a and b are real numbers. Real numbers. So once again, if the degree is 1, that will call as a linear polynomial. So standard form of the linear polynomial: ax plus b. A is not equals to 0. A and b are real numbers. We'll take as a integers also we can take out. This is first definition in the polynomial. And the degree is 2. The degree is 2. Degree. That will call as a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Example for quadratic polynomials: so x square minus 3x plus 9, y square plus 2x minus 10, 10 z square minus 10z plus 11. This example for here quadratic polynomial. So quadratic equation is it is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. So standard form of the quadratic polynomial: ax square plus bx plus c. Standard form of the quadratic polynomial: ax square plus bx plus c. Standard form of the quadratic polynomial equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay? This is will call as a quadratic polynomial. This will call as a quadratic polynomial equation. Now in this case, a is not equals to 0, and a, b, and c belongs to real numbers. A, B, C belongs to real numbers. In case if this a is equals to 0, then it becomes to linear polynomial. So bx plus c equals to 0. Then we get here linear polynomial. So first one degree 1 linear polynomial. Second one degree 2 quadratic polynomial. Standard form of the linear polynomial ax plus b. Standard form of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. In case degree 3 if it is there, degree 3, that will call as a cubic polynomial. So that will call as a cubic polynomial. Example for cubic polynomial: x cube 2x square plus 3x plus 9 for a cubic polynomial. Means here degree should be 3. Now y cube minus 4x square plus 9 z cube minus 3z square plus 2z plus 10. These are an example for cubic polynomial. In this case, degree need to be 1. In this case, degree should be 2 to become quadratic, here to become linear. To get degree 3, that will call as a cubic polynomial. Now, standard form of the cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the standard form of the cubic polynomial. So standard form of cubic polynomial equation means here. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. In this case, a is not equals to 0 and a, b, c, d is belongs to real numbers. In case a if it is equals to 0, then it will become to quadratic polynomial. So degree 1, degree 2, degree 3. Next to degree 4. If the degree 4, so degree 4 if it is a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Example for that, x to the power of 4 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 9 equals 0. Y to the power of 4, 3y cube plus 2y square plus y minus 10 equals to 0. These are an example for the biquadratic polynomial. A standard form of the biquadratic polynomial, ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. That is biquadratic polynomial. Equation is equals to need to take 0. Equals to 0 we need to take here. And in this, a is not equals to 0. And a, b, c, d, e is belongs to real numbers. A, B, C, E belongs to real numbers. These are all basic concepts in the polynomial. So degree 1 linear polynomial, degree 2 quadratic polynomial, degree 3 cubic polynomial, degree 4 biquadratic polynomial. So what will get answers in this? Degree 1 solution will get, degree 2 quadratic polynomial 2 solutions will get, degree 3 cubic polynomial will get here 3 solutions, degree 4 will get here biquadratic polynomial will get here 4 solutions. The solutions are called roots. The solutions are called roots. Means in linear polynomial 1 root will get, quadratic polynomial will get here 2 roots, cubic polynomial will get here 3 roots, and biquadratic polynomial will get here 4 roots. This will call as a roots. Standard form of the quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial. Ax square dx plus c equals to 0 or normally get zeros of the polynomial in that alpha and beta. One of the root is alpha, one of the root is beta. In case if you get sum of the roots formula, sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Product of the roots, that is alpha beta equals to c. This is a formula. So once again, standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In case roots are alpha and beta, sum of the roots formula is alpha plus beta equals to minus beta a, and the product of the roots is alpha beta equals to c by. This is a formula. And With the help of this one, standard form of the quadratic equation, we can find the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. So nature of the roots, with the help of standard form of the quadratic equation, we use this formula. So what is the formula? This b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. What is the meaning of b square minus 4ac? Is nature of the root delta. Delta also will take, and discriminant. Discriminant. So these four meanings are to find the nature of the roots are delta, discriminant to b square minus 4ac. In this, you get three types of answers. One answer is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. One answer. So another answer is less than the 0. Another answer is greater than the 0. So one b square minus 4ac, with that for this one, three times you get answer. One is equals to 0, one is less than the 0, one is greater than the 0. If the equals to 0, so what type of nature of the roots we get means here? Roots are equal. Roots are equal. You'll get answers are equal. Roots are equals. Less than the 0 means that is nothing but a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 7. These are no real roots. No real roots. No real roots. This is, and greater than the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is example. Realized distinct. Realigned distance. So three times you get here. One is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That is roots are equal, nature of the roots. And b square minus 4ac less than the 0, no real roots. B square minus 4ac greater than the 0, realigned districts. So this is about explanation about the polynomial and the quadratic equation. Once again, overall we'll glance it. One is degree 1 linear polynomial. Standard form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. Degree 2 quadratic. Standard form here ax square plus bx plus c. Degree 1 and degree 2 and degree 3 cubic ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b, and degree 4 biquadratic, that is ax to the power of 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. These are polynomials. We'll get in more than 1 degree also, 5, 6. So what is a degree? That means answers you get is one solution you get for this, and here 2 solutions you get, and here 3 solutions you get, here 4 solutions you get. The solutions are called the roots. The solutions are called the roots. When it comes to quadratic polynomial, a standard form of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In case if we take zeros, we'll get 2, that is alpha and beta. Sum of the roots equals to alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Product of the roots, that is alpha beta equals to c by a. Now with the help of standard form of the quadratic polynomial, we will find out here nature of the roots. So nature of the roots, that is nothing but we will call as a b square minus 4. That is nothing but we will call as a delta. That is nothing but we will call as a discriminant. So in this we get here 3 types of answers. One answer is here equals to 0. Equals to 0 means roots are equal. Equals to 0 means roots are equal. If the less than the 0 means no real roots. Less than the 0 means here no real root. Greater than the 0 means real and distance. This is about explanation of basic concept in the polynomial as well as a quadratic polynomial equation. Thank you.